How to change your Quora space icon. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change your Quora space icon easy and fast. So first thing, go to Quora app. Now this is the home page, as you can see right here. Go to your space and okay, this is my profile. Now click on your space and now go to the settings of the space right here down below. Click on settings and now go down until you find the icon image right here. Click on it and you will be able to insert image from phone or camera as you want. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later and thank you so much.